Hi there, my lovelies. Welcome to my channel if you are new here, and if you are not new here, welcome back. So today we're going to make something that it's dear to me because I have been making this since I was like 17 years old, and it's a cappuccino mix using only simple ingredients that you already have in your house probably, perhaps except from the vegan powdered milk, to which I'm using coconut powder milk, and but you can use any of your preference, or creamer. I'm not sure if there is a powdered vegan creamer. Let me know if you know that, and you can use it as well. So we start by, it's so simple, it's ridiculous, but we start by adding a cup of the vegan powdered milk to a jar, container, wherever. And then we're going to add instant coffee. And because the coffee, it comes in these granules, we're going to pass it through a fine mesh strainer. And then you can help with the back of a spoon. And then you keep pushing. So it becomes a fine powder. Fine. All done. Just to remind you that the measurements are going to be linked in the description box below, as well as on my website, the printable recipe. And what else? Instant chocolate. Any kind of chocolate that you would normally use in your milk. Now, if you like cinnamon, a pinch of cinnamon, but listen to me. Cinnamon is really overpowering, so a pinch, okay? Just grab it, and whatever fits between your three fingers here, you just use that. Not much of that, I promise you. It's enough. And you know, when you go out and you order that foamy, delicious cappuccino that it's made using a cappuccino machine, you add to this mixture some baking soda. That is going to make that beautiful froth, that beautiful foam that you see on top of your cappuccino, and it's all homemade. So what can be better than this? And now we just close it, and then you shake to mix everything together. Alright, and now I'm going to show you how to serve it. There are two ways of making it. You can add the powdered cappuccino and then add milk. Any kind of plant-based milk of your preference. Or you can add water. And now we add boiling water. Whatever you use, it has to be boiling, okay? I remember back when I was a teenager, I think I was 16, 17 years old, they started selling it, the cappuccino in packages, but it was so expensive and I really wanted it, so I bought it with my own money and I was saving it. And then I saw sometime, I don't remember where, the recipe, and then I started making it, and then we had it in our house forever. And my father used to love it, to have it in the morning. And one day he bought it, but like 3-4 years later, he bought a package of instant cappuccino mix. And then he made it, and he's like, oh my God, that's terrible. Oh my God, what is the brand that we buy it here in the house? And I'm like, Dad, I make it. You don't know? He's like, no, I didn't know, because he never paid attention. Daddy. So let's try. Oh, that's so good. And it instantly brings me back to my kitchen. I remember going to school. That's because we were always in a hurry, always rushing, and running around, and that's what I used to have, and a slice of bread with whatever kind of jam or jelly we had, and that was it. But that's super special. I mean, why didn't I make that before for you guys? It's super nice. How about my cappuccino mix? Please let me know in the comments below if you make it, because it's surprisingly delicious. And it's just what you need to warm you up on these cold winter nights, isn't it? Don't forget to tag me, like I said, if you make it. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. It's going to be linked down below on the description box, along with the recipe. And if you want to support this channel, check on my Patreon over there. And to my patrons, thank you very much. I love you guys. And I see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.